In this guide, I will show you how to count words in Google Docs. Google Docs offers an integrated word count feature that allows users to quickly assess the length of their documents. Whether you're drafting an essay report or any written content, keeping track of your word count is essential. Follow these simple steps to count words in your Google Docs document. Navigate to Google Docs in your web browser. Open the document you wish to analyze. Click on Tools in the menu bar at the top of your document. From the drop-down menu, select Word Count. A pop-up window will appear displaying the statistics of your document. Here, you will find the total count of words, characters, POV with and without spaces, pages, paragraphs. If you prefer to view your word count in real time as you type in the Word Count window, check the box next to display word count while typing. This will show a small word count box at the bottom of your document that updates as you write or edit your document. To count words in a specific section of your document, simply highlight the text you're interested in. Then, follow the same steps to open the Word Count tool. The pop-up window will now display the count for the selected text